In front of me is Redmi Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down to hit Google. Choose All Services over here and scroll down to hit Autofill with Google. Then click on Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password over here. If you can't see any of those options, you need to hit Settings at the bottom of this section on the left. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Log into any app and use Continue option in the pop-up to save at least one password. This way, those options will be visible. Now hit Add Password here and input all of those informations. At the top, you can select any website or click Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!